Hey everyone, the iQOO Pad 5e marks Vivo's latest attempt to carve out a solid presence in the competitive mid-range tablet market, bringing a gaming-oriented design philosophy to a sleek, high-performance Android device. Unveiled alongside the iQOO 15 and iQOO Watch GT Nano 2, this tablet blends raw performance with immersive entertainment capabilities, targeting gamers and multimedia enthusiasts alike. At first glance, the iQOO Pad 5e carries an unmistakably premium aesthetic. Its slim aluminum body measures just 6.62 millimeters thick and weighs 584 grams, striking a balance between portability and sturdiness. It comes in three elegant finishes: green, gray, and silver, each complementing the minimalistic design that Vivo has refined over the years. The centerpiece of the Pad 5e is its expansive 12.05-inch display, boasting a crisp 2,800 by 1,968 pixel resolution and an impressive 144 Hz refresh rate. This high refresh screen ensures fluid animations, smoother gaming visuals, and a responsive user experience, whether you're browsing, sketching, or playing fast-paced action titles. The panel also reaches up to 900 nits of brightness. Complementing this visual performance are quad speakers that create a 3D-like surround effect, enhancing immersion during gaming and video playback. Under the hood, the tablet is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, a formidable SoC that sits just below the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in raw power, but still delivers flagship-grade performance. Paired with up to 16 gigs of RAM, the iQOO Pad 5e handles multitasking, heavy gaming, and productivity apps with ease. Battery life is another major strength. The device houses a massive 10,000 mAh battery, providing exceptional endurance for gaming, streaming, or working throughout the day. While Vivo hasn't highlighted the charging speed in detail, it's clear that longevity was a top priority in this design. The inclusion of such a large battery gives it an edge over many competitors in the same price range. On the camera front, the iQOO Pad 5e adopts a modest but practical setup. It features an 8 megapixels rear camera with an LED flash and a front-facing camera suitable for video calls and online meetings. While photography isn't the tablet's focus, the cameras are adequate for casual use in document scanning. In terms of software, the Pad 5e runs on Vivo's custom Android interface, tailored for multitasking and gaming. Users can expect smooth integration with iQOO's ecosystem, offering features like split-screen multitasking and floating windows, which take advantage of the large display. Pricing for the iQOO Pad 5e starts at $281 for the 8 gigs RAM and 128 gigs storage variant. Currently, the tablet is available exclusively in China, and Vivo has yet to confirm any plans for global release. Still, the iQOO Pad 5e stands out as one of the most balanced mid-range Android tablets of the year, blending gaming power, display excellence, and a robust battery in a refined package. For those seeking a device that bridges entertainment and productivity without breaking the bank, the iQOO Pad 5e is a compelling new contender. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video useful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.